I'm going to show you how to make a Sid's Special. We're going to start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass, just like so. To that, you're going to add 4 ounces of gin. That's 1, 2, and I'm using a jigger to measure my gin. 3, and this is a great little invention because it helps you measure accurately. This side is 1 ounce, this side is a ½ ounce. All right, now I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of ooey gooey frozen lime juice concentrate. We're going to mix this up. You want to mix it pretty well so that lime juice concentrate starts to dissolve a little bit. And then you're going to put this into a highball glass, or you can put this in a beer mug. Yum, yum, yum. You're just going to top this off with some lemon lime soda and a lime wedge garnish. And here you have a beautiful, delicious, refreshing Sid's Special. Cheers.